Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the card and a signed-in Google account. Now act. Open the Play Store app, tap your profile avatar, then choose Payments and Subscriptions. This saves time. Once there, select Redeem Code and carefully type or paste the 16-character code. Avoid spaces. You do this because redeeming links the card balance to your account instantly, making funds available for apps, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. After you enter the code, confirm the amount and press Redeem to apply the balance immediately. Once you're at the redemption screen, type the code exactly. If your phone camera can scan a QR on the receipt, that speeds things up. Make sure your Play Store country matches the card's country. Google blocks mismatched currencies, so change the country only if eligible. Also review family library and any subscription rules, because some cards can't be used for certain promotions. If prompted, choose a primary payment method for mixed payments. This prevents purchase failures when balance is insufficient. Now use your balance. Pick an app, subscription, or in-app item. At checkout, select Google Play Balance as the payment method and confirm the purchase. For subscriptions, make sure payment order applies balance first. Go to Payments and Subscriptions to set preferences. If the code fails, first recheck the digits and country settings. Second, allow 24 hours for processing. Third, try redeeming on Play. Google.com. If problems persist, contact Google support with your receipt. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.